Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
So I would love to know about you, your company, and your journey till here.
Well, we are NRIs. We were NRIs. We came back to India in 2016 November,
Right.
and we were thinking what to do. And somebody suggested, since you've traveled so much, you've been all around the world, why don't you impart that knowledge to people? Why don't you help people go abroad? So then we chose this profession of teaching people. We train English. We just don't teach English. We teach English passionately. That's where we are different. And our results speak for themselves. We have 9 vendors, we have 8 vendors, we have 7. I mean, most of the results are more than 7 vendors. And because of those results only, we've been able to establish our brand in the market. So that's the journey so far. We've been in India for around 4 years now. And I think we are doing pretty well. We are maintaining our quality standards. I am a lead auditor for quality management systems. She is also an auditor for quality management. So we do our quality checks. So that's how we are able to give good service to the students.
So one more thing, you said that there will be standard rates for the fee structure and for the Ielts exam. So do you think there will be a tough competition in the market for the business people who are running institutes?
Well, yes. For those people who take IELTS only as a business, it will be difficult for them to prove themselves.
Yeah, because
But
you have to serve quality.
You have to serve quality. Only the quality will sustain. Other people will not be, it will not be easy for them to sustain. Ma'am, would you like to add something?
Yes, I feel that students are becoming very smart these days, and if you give them quality, definitely your quality is going to speak. So if this standardization takes place, so people with passion or the quality institutes, they are going to survive. This is what I feel. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much,
Thank you,
sir.
ma'am. Thank you for having us.